Hello YouTube, my name is Marvin Smith, and yes, by the title of this video, you're a SMB and you're thinking about upgrading to Windows 11. If you're a small business owner, you need to watch this. When I say save, I don't mean save your business from failing. It just save your business from headaches and frustration down the line. Now, if you're like me, you tune out certain information from the media. Microsoft has now released its latest operating system called Windows 11, which will be released to the public October 25th, a few days from now. And while information is still sporadic and sketchy, depending on which site and sources you listen to, this Windows operating system, Microsoft has promised to be its most secure operating system it's ever released. So the question you're asking yourself, since you clicked on the title of this video, is how will this affect my business? Well, let's just jump right into it then. If you read this article by Steve Nichols titled, "Should Your Business Upgrade to Windows 11?" which I'll link below in the comments, the author of the article talks about Microsoft has been promising a secure Windows for years, but Windows 11 might be Windows 10 with a facelift. The author of this article also talks about a few things. This operating system will be built with zero trust technology, which Microsoft is building Windows 11 on. The article also talks about for Windows 11 to run on every laptop, every desktop. In order for Windows 11 to run on every laptop, every desktop, the machine itself must have a TPM 2.0 chip built in. If you want to know more about the TPM chip and platform, just comment below and I'll put together a video on that. Let's start with 4 specific reasons why Windows 11 might suck for SMBs. 1. Cost. To unlock the full functionality of Windows 11 for your business, the laptops you purchase must have TPM 2.0 chipset. With new technology, this will cost the business owner money. For example, this Lenovo ThinkPad T14 Gen 2 is the only laptop that I've come across that meets the basic specifications for Windows 11. I will leave a link below to that specific laptop for review. Now, let's talk about time. According to Microsoft, Windows 10 will have an end of life on October 14th, 2025, which is basically in 4 years. I know as a business owner, the last thing you need to think about is time. But let's look at what happened with Windows XP Nightmare. People waited for the last minute, then it became a mad rush to upgrade to the latest operating system. 4. Security. This word security has to be on every business owner's mind going forward. We've seen endless companies being breached, being hacked, and companies have to pay a ransom just to get their data back. The website upgrade.com posted an article on what it calls "What's the Cost of a Data Breach in 2020?" which I'll link below also for review. The total cost of a data breach is $4.24 million, which is a 10% rise from the average cost in 2019. That is crazy. The cost of data breaches have gone up. So I know what you're saying to yourself. Well, my small shop, my Ray's Pizza, nail salon, we don't have anything anybody wants. Wrong. If you're collecting payments, electronic payments, or if you have a customer list, that is data. Someone wants that. Someone wants to resell that on the dark web. You don't want to be that business that gets breached one day and you're the owner. You say to yourself, damn, I should have paid for that, security update or that preventive measure to keep me from getting breached. People have to think of their business as a data vault. Data comes in, data doesn't go out unless it's authorized to go out. 4, training. With every new operating system or technology hits the consumer market, you have a learning curve, and training users is one of the hardest things you can do depending on their age. So in conclusion, should you as a business owner, SMB, think about upgrading to Windows 11? And should you think about your overall security and workability? I leave that answer for you to make a decision on. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, as I will be producing more videos and uploading more content.